Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno7 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see those diagonal lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I like to show you the actual visual evidence actually that the reset option will work. So it should disappear, I mean those lines. So if we are on the camera, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner and enter the actual settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find Restore Defaults. Now let's tap on Restore Defaults again, and as you can see, actually nothing happened, so we just got back to the settings. But after getting back to the camera, we can see that this special type of grid line disappeared, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera customizations and the settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your OPPO Reno7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.